Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video gusto ko lang pasadahan saglit yung derivative ng mga roots, no, or mga square roots, mga cube roots. So if we have f of x is equal to square root of x, ang pinakamadali natin na gagawin dito is to convert yung square root natin into an exponent, no? And using our exponent rules, ito ay equal sa x to the 1/2, no? And kapag kukunin natin yung derivative, pwede natin i-apply yung apply power rule ng differentiation, no? So, pwede natin ibaba and then minus 1, no? So, pag binaba natin, 1/2 x to the 1/2 minus 1, no? So, f prime of x is equal to 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. Okay? And kapag sinimplify natin yan, this is equal to 1 over 2 square root of x. Okay? So, sa kahit anong root, pwede natin gawin yan, no? So, for example, we have f of x is equal to cube root ng x squared. Okay? So, i-convert natin to into exponent. So, this will become x to the 2 over 3. And kapag tinake natin yung derivative, ibababa natin siya, then minus 1. So, this will become 2 thirds x to the negative 1 third. No? And we can simplify this to be equal to 2 over 3 cube root of x. Okay? So, kung meron tayong mga square roots or roots in general, pag kukunin natin yung derivative nila, what we need to do is to just simply convert them into a exponent, no? And we can apply pagkuha ng derivative ng mga x to the n. Okay? So, nagiging n x to the n minus 1. Okay? So, yun lang naman for this video, and I hope to see you in the future videos.